Transport your kayak with ease using the best kayak roof racks, designed for durability, secure mounting, and universal fit. These racks offer padded support to prevent scratches, aerodynamic design to reduce drag, and quick installation for effortless loading and unloading. In this video, we recommend the 7 best kayak roof racks. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. IKURAM Kayak Roof Rack. The IKURAM Kayak Roof Rack delivers premium protection with oversized all-weather rubber saddles and padded uprights, preventing damage from rubbing during transport. Its universal J-cradle design fits most square and oval factory-installed crossbars with ease. Heavy-duty straps with high brake strength ensure a secure hold for one kayak, making installation quick and reliable. Built from anodized aviation-grade aluminum, it's lightweight, rust-resistant, and waterproof, perfect for long-term use and annual adventures. The quick raise and fold mechanism, controlled by a front-release handle, allows for easy adjustment and overhead clearance, locking at various angles to suit different kayak shapes. A versatile 4-in-1 configuration lets you carry up to 2 kayaks or paddle boards. Integrated paddle holders and oversized padding with acrylic sleeves help you stay organized and maximize rooftop space. Strong, smart, and sustainable, this rack is ready for every journey. Number 6. ECOTRIC Kayak Roof Rack. The ECOTRIC Kayak Roof Rack is a heavy-duty solution for transporting kayaks, canoes, surfboards, skis, and more. With 4 J-bar racks in one set, it holds up to 2 kayaks securely, making it a practical choice for outdoor adventures. Built from thick steel tubing with smooth black weather-resistant paint, it offers durability and long-lasting performance in all conditions. The adjustable foam pads and rubber base provide a stable, non-slip grip, while resisting water and sun damage for enhanced gear protection. Its smart exterior design includes pre-drilled holes and smaller nozzles for better tube alignment, making the rack extra stable and secure. Compatible with most oval, square, and flat roof rails, it includes universal mounting accessories and 4 strong straps for a firm hold. Designed to maximize space and keep your equipment safe, this rack is a reliable partner for every trip to the water. Number 5. Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack. The Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack is built with heavy-duty steel tubing and finished with black powder coating for durability and rust resistance. It's tested to support up to 150 pounds, making it ideal for transporting kayaks, canoes, SUPs, surfboards, and snowboards in all weather conditions. The ergonomic quick-release system allows easy folding when not in use, giving you better overhead clearance and garage access without removing the rack. Foam padding and a rubber pedal design protect your gear from scratches and reduce friction during travel. This universal rack fits most crossbars, including square, factory, and aerodynamic styles, except round bars, ensuring wide vehicle compatibility. It comes with 4 J-bars and 4 tie-down straps for a secure setup that saves space and keeps your equipment firmly in place. Strong, foldable, and multifunctional, it's a smart and reliable solution for every outdoor enthusiast. Number 4. PIRIPARA Kayak Roof Rack. The PIRIPARA Kayak Roof Rack offers solid durability with high-quality alloy steel construction, supporting up to 150 pounds and carrying 2 kayaks with ease. Its wide-mouth J-bar design makes loading and unloading simpler, while maximizing usable roof space for more gear. Heavy-duty steel framing is paired with adjustable padding to protect your kayaks during transport, keeping them safe and secure on every trip. All surfaces and hardware feature rust-resistant coatings for extended life, even in tough weather conditions. It installs quickly with fast on-off hardware and fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars, excluding round ones, for wide vehicle compatibility. The set includes 4 racks, for heavy-duty tie-down straps, and universal mounting gear to ensure a stable hold. Perfect for transporting kayaks, canoes, surfboards, snowboards, and small sailboats. It's a versatile companion for any outdoor adventure. Number 3. Mrhardware A01 Kayak Roof Rack. The Mrhardware A01 Kayak Roof Rack is a simple and cost-effective solution for transporting your kayak safely and securely on top of your vehicle. Built with durable steel and adjustable padding, it offers strong support while protecting your kayak during travel. The wide-mouth J-bar design ensures easier loading and unloading, while maximizing roof space for additional cargo. Rust-resistant coating and hardware provide lasting durability in all weather conditions, extending the life of the rack. It comes pre-assembled with quick-on-off mounting hardware and EVA stickers to prevent scratches on your crossbars. With factory-tested tie-down straps rated at 600 pounds, you'll enjoy reliable security and peace of mind during every trip. Compatible with most square, round, oval, and flat crossbars, this rack includes all necessary hardware and 2 safety straps. Perfect for kayaks, canoes, and other gear, it's a reliable and efficient tool for your next outdoor adventure. Number 2. XGeek Kayak Roof Rack. The XGeek Kayak Roof Rack is a tough and versatile companion for all your outdoor gear, built to handle kayaks, surfboards, skis, canoes, and more with ease. Crafted from aviation-grade aluminum, it's both lightweight and incredibly durable, boasting rust resistance and cushioned foam pads that protect your gear and vehicle roof from scratches and damage. Its smart folding bilateral J-style design lets you adjust angles to fit different gear perfectly, while the included screw options ensure a secure, scratch-free installation. Compatible with round, square, and most oval crossbars, this rack easily carries 2 kayaks vertically, making it the ideal all-season, all-adventure roof rack you can count on. Number 1. ARTIPOLY Kayak Roof Rack. The ARTIPOLY Kayak Roof Rack offers exceptional stability with its aviation-grade aluminum build and unique horizontal bar design. Lightweight, durable, rust and weather resistant, it's built for repeated use year after year. The rubber pedals and foam protectors provide superior protection for kayaks and your vehicle's crossbars, reducing friction and preventing scratches. The quick raise and fold design with a 180 degrees adjustable angle easily adapts to various kayak sizes. Its single-handed lock mechanism secures your kayak firmly without extra tools. Compatible with round, oval, square, and flat crossbars, it accommodates 2 kayaks up to 165 pounds. Includes heavy-duty tie-down straps, extra ropes, and a paddle holder, making it versatile for multiple water sports gear. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.